We started our day with a very weak handover coming in from the US markets as well as the Asian markets. In the United States, the concerns of rising COVID-19 cases and also selected lockdowns that's happening in different states, as well as in Japan. There's rise in COVID-19 cases. Today also they reported a record rise in the cases as well. So that is why you had the Asian markets, you had the US markets decline in trade, and that rubbed off on us as well. But as of now, if you look at our benchmark indices, we're trying to recover from those early losses. You have the Sensex that is nudging towards the positive territory. You have Nifty that is holding above that 12,850 mark as of now. But let me take you through the stocks that are moving in trade today. And first up, definitely it is Lakshmi Vilas Bank. A big development coming in yesterday evening, and Lakshmi Vilas Bank is has slumped 20% in trade today. That is the most since its listing. The RBI has placed the lender under moratorium for 30 days due to serious deterioration in its financial position, and they've also proposed a merger with DBS Bank India, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of Singapore-based DBS Bank. The central bank has also superseded the board of Lakshmi Vilas Bank, and they've appointed T.N. Manoharan as its administrator, and that is why you have Lakshmi Vilas Bank that is slumping in trade. Moving on, you have IIFL Securities. That stock has surged over 9% in trade today, most since October 19. The company informed its exchanges that the board will be meeting on November 20th to consider buyback of shares. The stock is up for a third straight session, has gained over 80% in the last 52 weeks, and is up 23% in the last 30 days. Motherson Sumi, the stock is up about 5% in trade, and about 5% in trade today, is up for a second straight session. Morgan Stanley has maintained an overweight call on the stock with the target of 144 rupees per share. Morgan Stanley is saying that the upward revision in the global auto production outlook augurs well for companies' earnings, driven by improved capacity utilization in their global businesses. Motherson Sumi has gained about 30% in the last 30 days itself. Talking about auto sector, you have M&M as well as Tata Motors that are surging in trade today. There are various reports indicating that the Diwali sales, or rather the festive season sale as a whole, has been good for the auto sector. On back of that, you have Tata Motors that surged to the highest in about 9 months. It's up for a third day in a row. You have M&M that is risen most in about 7 months. It's trading at its highest level in over a year. Let me talk about capital goods space, and you have L&T that's surging over 5% in trade today. It's up for a third day in a row. L&T reported that its construction and mining equipment business has secured one of its biggest ever order to supply 46 units of Komatsu mining equipment for Tata Steel. The stock has gained approximately 30% in the last 30 days. Mahanagar Gas, that particular counter, is up about 4% in trade today. Credit Suisse has retained an outperform rating on the stock with a target of 1,175 rupees per share. Credit Suisse is saying that they are positive on as the valuations of MGL is reasonable. The stock is up for third day in a row. And apart from that, you have the entire Adani Group stock. They are buzzing, at least barring one or two, but the pack as a whole is actually buzzing in trade today. So you have Adani Green that's hit record high levels. It's up for a sixth day in a row. You have Adani Gas that's hit a record high level, up for a fifth day. Adani Power is at its 11-week high, up most in 2 weeks, and is up for a fourth day in a row. And you have Adani Transmission that has surged to a record high level and is up for a eighth day. So these are the list of stocks that are buzzing in trade today.